2 at MWC had a distinctly Hollywood feel, with references to recent blockbuster film Top Gun Maverick from the head of defence company Lockheed Martin, and a unique insight into the streaming industry from Netflix co-CEO Greg Peters. Lockheed Martin CEO Jim Taiclet kicked off an opening keynote exploring how AI is enabling companies to capitalise on massive amounts of data to improve business decisions and other operations.
Humans are always going to be involved in national defense to make decisions of when to employ capabilities, when not to. So when there's any kind of action that needs to be taken, there'll always be a human decision maker.
Cohere Technologies CEO Ray Dolan outlined developments in Spectrum as key to delivering speed and capacity gains, while Maersk chief Vincent Clerc shifted the discussion back to using AI for big data analysis, this time to help improve supply chains.
The other thing that we're using a lot is the digital twins. By knowing the containers that are coming in, the containers that need to go out, you can start to plan your yard, your stack, and figure out when problems are occurring. And through this modeling, you actually change the layout of your terminals, you gradually improve on a lot of your operation.
Later, the attention turned to partnerships and content, with FC Barcelona footballer Lucy Bronze discussing the growing importance of technology in sport, a move highlighted by a growing relationship between the club and MWC. While Netflix co-CEO Greg Peters announced, well, why don't we let him explain that?
We've also invested in technology innovations like the first worldwide cloud-based remote editing system with connected physical editing studios that anchor that cloud-based system strategically co-located next to these stages. So this all enables a creator to step off one of these amazing sound stages directly into an editing suite and collaborate with editors from around the world in real time.
Operator executives continued the partnership theme, with Telstra CEO Vicky Brady noting operators cannot go it alone when working on digitalisation, and the Chief Product Officer at Verizon Business highlighting a need to adapt to evolving customer needs.
2 years ago, we started to build capabilities into industry sectors to solve their business challenges and unlock opportunities. It has to be beyond just connectivity.
Our customers now, in many cases, they want to consume networks the way they consume clouds. So we have network as a service, where instead of selling components and circuits, what we're doing is selling outcomes.
Nokia President and CEO Pekka Lundmark noted a shift away from just providing products towards new partnerships covering new ways of doing business.
We are seeing a growing appetite for new business models. There is this desire for more flexible, solution-driven products and services.
But there was a note of caution from Pietro Labriola, CEO of Telecom Italia, who noted new ways of doing business require an overhaul of legacy regulation and infrastructure.
We were talking about metaverso. In Italy, we have to pay for universal services. And then you talk to me about metaverso. I'm still waiting that I'll be repaid about 50 million euro for the payphone.
And Tuesday evening at MWC saw the award of the prestigious Global Mobile Awards, also known as the Oscars of the mobile industry. The awards celebrate the companies, individuals and governments which have driven the greatest innovation in mobile and adjacent industries. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, this week our daily highlight sponsor AWS is bringing you the next level experience on the upper walkway of the south entrance. Here's today's preview and what to expect this week.
In adopting the cloud and bringing all this data together, we see the data's got gravity.
I mean, you create this smart home, and then you had a party in that home. I mean, that was the biggest home party I have ever attended.